Does 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal 19? Here's a puzzle from German Duolingo where you're supposed to make every row, column, and diagonal add to 19. Yet sadly, it's impossible because there's a certain property of these puzzles where the center must always be a third of the total of each row, column, and diagonal. But why is that? Here's why. Here we have a random 3x3 grid, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, where every row, column, and both diagonals add up to M, the magic total. So, this diagonal, A plus E plus I, must add up to M. Similarly, this column, B plus E plus H, must add up to M. And this other diagonal, C plus E plus G, must add up to N. Now, if I add these three equations, I get A plus B plus C plus 3E plus G plus H plus I must equal M plus N, or 3M. However, A plus B plus C, that's a row of our grid, so it must also add up to M. Similarly, G plus H plus I is another row of our grid, and so it must also add up to M. So M plus 3E plus M equals 3M. Solving for E, because that's the middle number of our grid, we find that it is indeed 1/3 of the magic total, M, as I stated earlier. So, because the magic total in Duolingo's puzzle is 19, which is not a multiple of 3, the middle number would be 1/3 of 19, which isn't a whole number, making the puzzle impossible in the whole numbers. Yeah, you may be thinking, what about Duolingo's solution? Well, let me ask you again.